Welcome to the Unravel View channel, exploring the wonders of our world and beyond. When pests invade your home, it's easy to reach for a chemical spray without a second thought. After all, these products promise quick results and instant relief from annoying bugs. But have you ever paused to consider what you're actually spraying into the air you breathe or onto the surfaces your family touches every day? Most people don't realize that the ingredients inside that can are more than just bug killers. They're complex chemical compounds, many of which are difficult to pronounce and even harder to understand. These substances are designed to be toxic to insects, but their effects don't always stop there. Many commercial repellents contain harsh chemicals that can linger on surfaces and in the air for hours, sometimes even days. This means that long after the pests are gone, invisible residues remain, posing health risks, especially to children, pets, and anyone with allergies or respiratory issues. Young children and animals are particularly vulnerable because they spend more time close to the ground and are more likely to touch or even ingest contaminated surfaces. The Canadian Centre for Occupational Health and Safety warns that exposure to these chemicals can cause a range of symptoms, from mild headaches and dizziness to more severe reactions like nausea, breathing difficulties, and even long-term health problems with repeated exposure. These risks are often underestimated, especially when sprays are used frequently or in poorly ventilated spaces. Chemical residues don't just vanish after you spray, they settle on floors, counters, and furniture, clinging to the very places where your family eats, plays, and relaxes. Over time, these residues can build up, increasing the chances of accidental contact or ingestion, especially for curious kids and pets. The convenience of chemical sprays comes with a hidden cost: your family's long-term well-being. While it may seem like a simple solution, the potential health consequences are often overlooked in the rush to eliminate pests. But there's good news. Nature offers safer, effective alternatives. Simple ingredients like lemon, vinegar, and certain herbs can help keep pests at bay without putting your loved ones at risk. These natural remedies are not only safer, but they're also often more affordable and environmentally friendly. By turning to natural remedies, you can protect your home from unwanted pests while maintaining a healthy, toxin-free environment. You'll have peace of mind knowing that your cleaning routine isn't introducing new dangers into your living space. In the next sections, we'll show you practical step-by-step ways to create a healthy, pest-free home, naturally. Your family's safety and comfort are worth it. Some of the best pest-fighting tools are already in your kitchen, hiding in plain sight among your everyday ingredients. You don't need to rely on harsh chemicals or expensive products to keep your home pest-free. Instead, you can turn to simple, natural solutions that are both effective and safe for your family. Baking soda, cayenne pepper, and borax are three powerful natural deterrents that have stood the test of time. These common household staples can help you fight off a variety of unwanted guests, from tiny ants to persistent cockroaches, and even larger garden pests like squirrels. For roaches, try mixing equal parts baking soda and sugar. Place this blend in small dishes or bottle caps wherever you notice roach activity, under sinks, behind appliances, or along baseboards. The sugar acts as bait, luring the roaches in, while the baking soda reacts with their digestive system, effectively eliminating them. It's a simple trick that targets the problem at its source. Cayenne pepper is another versatile weapon in your pest control arsenal. Sprinkle it along doorways, windowsills, or any cracks where ants and roaches might sneak in. In the garden, a dusting of cayenne around your plants can keep squirrels and other critters at bay, creating a natural barrier they won't want to cross. Borax, when mixed with a sweet bait like honey or syrup, is especially effective against ants. The worker ants carry the mixture back to their colony, where it spreads and wipes out the entire nest from within. However, it's important to remember that borax can be harmful if ingested by children or pets, so always use it with caution and keep it well out of reach. Whenever you're handling these ingredients or setting traps, it's a good idea to wear gloves. This not only protects your skin, but also prevents you from leaving your scent behind, which can sometimes deter pests from approaching the bait. And always place traps or mixtures in locations that are inaccessible to little ones and pets. These simple ingredients work by disrupting pest biology or creating environments they simply can't tolerate. Whether it's irritation from cayenne, digestive upset from baking soda, or the slow-acting toxicity of borax, each method targets pests in a unique, natural way. Best of all, these natural solutions are much safer than commercial sprays, which often contain toxic chemicals that linger in your home. By choosing household ingredients, you're protecting your health and the environment, while still getting effective results. Plus, you'll have peace of mind knowing exactly what you're using. With these household staples, you can tackle pests head-on, naturally and confidently. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish with just a few simple items from your pantry. Let's explore even more natural solutions and discover how you can keep your home pest-free the safe and simple way. Aromatic plants are nature's pest repellents, and they beautify your home. Neem oil, used for centuries, is a potent insecticide. Just a few drops in cleaning solutions or burning dried leaves can keep mosquitoes at bay. Planting neem trees creates a protective zone around your property. Basil, especially lemon and cinnamon varieties, repels mosquitoes. Keep potted plants near windows and doors. Lemon thyme's citrusy scent drives mosquitoes away. Crush the leaves to release its power and rub on your skin after a patch test. Plant these herbs along walkways or patios for a living, fragrant barrier. With the right plants, you can enjoy a pest-free aromatic home. Peppermint and eucalyptus smell great to us, but pests can't stand them. Peppermint oil overwhelms mice and ants, erasing their scent trails and deterring them from nesting. Add 10-15 drops of peppermint oil to water in a spray bottle. Spray baseboards, corners, and entry points. Place peppermint-soaked cotton balls in cabinets, drawers, and hidden spaces. Refresh weekly. Add peppermint oil to your floor cleaner to disrupt ant trails. Eucalyptus oil is especially effective against spiders. Use it on cotton balls or as a spray in closets and window corners. These essential oils create a fragrant, invisible barrier pests won't cross. Ditch artificial air fresheners and use these natural scents for a fresher, safer home. Simple, effective, and chemical-free. Marigolds, basil, and catnip are beautiful and hard-working pest repellents. Marigolds contain pyrethrum, a natural insecticide. Plant them around your garden or near doors to keep mosquitoes and flies away. Basil's aroma repels houseflies and mosquitoes. Varieties like lemon and cinnamon basil are especially potent. Keep basil pots on windowsills or porches for a no-fly zone. Catnip's nepetalactone repels ants, mosquitoes, and even mice. Plant it around your home's foundation or in pots. These plants offer continuous natural protection for your home and garden. They're safe, effective, and add beauty to your space. Let your garden do the pest control. And if you found these tips helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more natural remedies. Lavender and rosemary aren't just fragrant, they're powerful pest repellents. Lavender's scent drives away mosquitoes, flies, fleas, and moths. Plant it near windows or keep potted lavender indoors. Place dried lavender sachets in closets and drawers to protect clothes from moths. Rosemary repels flies and mosquitoes and attracts pollinators like butterflies. Make a simple spray. Boil rosemary in water, cool, strain, and mist on skin or clothes. These herbs provide passive, ongoing protection. Living plants constantly release their scents. Plant them together for a beautiful, functional border. Enjoy evenings outdoors, surrounded by natural aromas and free from pests. Nature's solutions are often the most pleasant. The best pest control starts with prevention. Keep them out before they get in. Inspect your home's exterior for cracks, gaps, and holes, especially near pipes, vents, and cables. Seal small gaps with caulk. Use steel wool or copper mesh for larger holes rodents might chew through. Check doors and windows. Replace worn weather stripping and install door sweeps. Repair any rips in screens immediately. These small maintenance steps make a huge difference, especially during seasonal changes. Sealing your home is a one-time job with long-lasting benefits. It keeps pests out and improves energy efficiency. Build your fortress. Stop pests before they start. Even with the best prevention methods, some pests are persistent and manage to find their way inside. That's why it's important to be prepared with a range of smart solutions to tackle these stubborn invaders as soon as you spot them. For mice, Classic snap traps baited with peanut butter remain one of the most effective ways to catch them quickly. Peanut butter's strong scent attracts mice better than cheese, making it a reliable choice for bait. If you prefer a more humane approach, live catch traps are a great option. Just remember to check them daily to avoid unnecessary stress for the animal, and always release the mouse at least a mile away from your home to prevent it from returning. To make common hiding spots less appealing, place crumpled aluminum foil or strongly scented dryer sheets in areas where you've seen signs of pests. The texture and smell can deter rodents and insects from settling in, making your home less inviting to them. Ultrasonic repellents are another tool you can try. These devices emit high-frequency sounds that are unpleasant for rodents and insects, though their effectiveness can vary. They work best when used alongside other pest control methods, rather than as a standalone solution. For the best results, always combine traps and deterrents with physical barriers. Seal up entry points with steel wool or mesh to block access, and use traps and repellents to catch or drive out any pests that do get inside. It's important to choose the right tool for each situation and to use it safely. Always wear gloves when handling traps or chemicals, and follow all safety instructions to protect yourself, your family, and your pets. Taking targeted action as soon as you notice a problem can stop pests in their tracks and help keep your home secure. The sooner you respond, the easier it is to prevent a small issue from becoming a big one. Remember, even a single pest can quickly multiply and lead to a full-blown infestation if left unchecked. Early intervention is key to maintaining a pest-free environment. Stay vigilant by regularly inspecting your home for signs of pests, and act fast if you spot anything unusual. With the right combination of smart solutions and quick action, you can keep your home protected from even the most stubborn pests. You have choices. Ditch harsh chemicals and embrace a natural, proactive approach. Start with prevention. Seal cracks, check weather stripping, and repair screens. Add repellent plants like peppermint, basil, lavender, and rosemary to windowsills and patios. Use essential oils and simple kitchen ingredients to create natural barriers and traps. These methods fill your home with pleasant aromas, not toxins. Be mindful and proactive. Choose safer, smarter solutions for your family's health. Start with gentle methods. Seal your home. Introduce repellent plants and use non-toxic traps if needed. Make natural remedies your first choice for a healthier lifestyle. Your home is your sanctuary. Keep it safe naturally. The best solutions are already in your hands.